行。
video好。Hello, now we have show you how to replace this controller here. Now I should just test this one. I'm going to send you because we have sent you the bike computer and the cables and the controllers and even the pedal assistant sensor here is not still working. So now I use the working one and test that and we'll take out this one and send it to you. So first we'll just try it. You can see here is normal, no error code here on the bike computer. So we use the slot here, test it. Okay, it's working. Now I will turn off this bike computer. Okay, so I make a mark here. So you should get this one. It's a simple one to you. Here you can see make a small mark here. It's a oil pen, so don't worry about it. It cannot be changed. This one. There's a very transparent table here protected the screen, so don't worry that it will hurt this. Okay, just make sure it's the one I send you. And here we take out the battery. This controller is fine, so I'll make a mark here. XF800 DE. Okay, I write down the number here. So, and for this cable, it's also working. So I'll make a mark here. And this side. So make sure this cable is the right one I send you. Okay. And for the sensor I think it doesn't make a lot of sense. So, but it's the new one. I think no problem for that. So just keep that. So now we are going to send you 3 parts, complete one set. One is a controller here, and the bike computer here, and the main cable here. You will see we make a little bit of mark there. So let's try it again to make sure 100% is working. Okay, let's try it again. The battery, I think the battery is the same battery you get from us. Okay, let's turn on it. Try it again. Still no error there. You can see no error, so should be fine. Okay. Okay, no problem. So I just disconnected this and take it out of the frame from the cable and release the bike computer and send all the parts to you. It should be fine. If you still have problem, okay, no problem. You can just return the basket to us. So we'll take the bike and we'll pay the return shipping cost first also. Okay, thank you. Video好. Hello, now we have show you how to replace this controller here. Now I should just test this one. I'm going to send you because we have sent you the bike computer and the cables and the controllers. And even the pedal assistant sensor here is not still working. So now I use the working one.